New York currently has what's called the labor law, and we'll call it the scaffold law. And that's an extremely important law that protects workers and people alike. It's something that the insurance companies are constantly lobbying to try to get rid of. But it's an important law that myself and other trial lawyers every year go to Albany to say this law should stay in place because it protects the workers. Many workers are up there, you see them all the time on scaffolds. They're at an elevated risk for an injury. And it's important that the burden of keeping the work site safe is placed on the owner and the general contractor. So they have to provide scaffolds, harnesses, and other stuff, because the injuries of falling from an elevated height or something from an elevated height hurting one of these workers, they're horrific. And unfortunately, in this economy, there are a lot of people out there that will do anything to make a living. And they'll say, get up there, get up, you put those 3 buckets up there, and you climb to that top and you paint that wall, you spackle. And without the laws in place, unfortunately, it's happening. It happens all over. But without the laws in place, it'll be more prevalent. And the most important thing is if you're at a work site and you're a laborer or construction worker, if the proper safety equipment is not there, you should ask your boss, a supervisor, where is it? Where's my scaffold? Where's my harness? Because you don't want to put yourself at unnecessary risk. If you are injured as a result of a labor site accident, then you should immediately, after seeking medical help, you should speak to an experienced attorney to help guide you through the process. Because also the investigation is also going to be key to determine who was there, were there any OSHA violations, did they move the ladder, because you want to also preserve all evidence. If it's falling off a ladder, a lot of times the improper ladders are provided at the work site. They don't have the proper rubber footing, or they're not a proper A-frame ladder. It's important that you speak to someone who's knowledgeable in the area and will take the steps necessary to preserve any evidence to best represent you.